everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make this macrame tree wall hanging. This wall hanging is perfect for the upcoming holidays, but it is also great for anyone who just loves nature. Let's get started. Our first step is to fold all of our ropes evenly in half and attach them to our dowel rod using a lark's head knot. To do this, I just send that folded piece over. You'll see this nice loop right behind where I can pull the remaining two ends through the loop and then pull it tight. And you're just going to do this for all your cords. Once you have all 14 ropes attached to your dowel rod, we are going to begin by making one row of square knots all the way across the top. To do this, I'll be working in sections of 4. I'm going to take the string on the far right and cross it over the 2 in the middle to form a loop. Then I'm going to take that string on the far left to cross over the right. I'm going to send it behind the 2 in the middle and up through the loop. And then I just give those a nice gentle tug to tighten. Now I'm going to take the string on the far left to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle. I take the one on the far right to go over the left, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And I pull it tight. And that is all there is to making a square knot. And again, I'm just going to make this all the way across, always working in sections of 4. Now we will begin making a second row of square knots, this time in an alternating fashion. This means I'm going to leave off the 2 cords here on the far left and take the next 4 ropes, always using 2 from 2 different square knots. And now I just tie a square knot as I did before. Now find the 4 cords directly in the middle of your project. We are going to be tying one colored berry knot around these 4 cords. So we're going to bring in that 30-inch piece of colored string and we're going to just fold it evenly in half and stick it right behind the 4 ropes. Now we're going to tie 3 square knots in a row, kind of like we did before. So again, you start on the right side and cross it over all 4 cords that are in the middle. Then you take the left side to go over the right, send it behind the ropes in the middle, and go up through the loop. Kind of slide it into place, but you want to leave about a finger width of space between the knots. And then finish your square knot. And repeat this 2 more times. Just like that. Now we're going to take the 4 cords in the middle, we're going to twist them up to come through the gap right up here. So take all 4, they go through that gap, pull them all the way through. Once they're through, you're just going to keep pulling that until your berry knot completely rounds. And then we're going to secure the berry knot with another square knot. So take those 2 ends and tie another square knot. Just like that. And now we're going to trim off the two ends that stick out. Now we're going to go back in and tie 3 square knots on each side of the berry knot. Again, working in sections of 4. Be making a row of 2 berry knots below this first one. So I'm going to take 2 cords that were in the center of this one and then the 2 next to it. So I'm using 4 cords once again. And I'm just going to tie that berry knot like I did before. Repeat on the next 4 cords next to it. Complete another row of square knots on both sides of the berry knot. Now we'll be making a row of 3 berry knots. And just fill in the square knots on both sides. And I just went ahead and created one more row of those berry knots. So all I'm going to do now is just fill in a couple more square knots to kind of line up with my last row here, and then we will be making the trunk of our tree. Now to make my stem, I'm going to find the 4 cords directly in the middle once again. So we're going right between these 2 last berry knots. And I'm going to tie 2 berry knots in a row using a new color. So I'm using this mocha brown color to be my trunk. And I'm just going to tie 2 in a row like before. So just try the first one as normal. the same pieces of that tail to create the next berry knot right after it. Just leave a little bit of space between the last berry knot as you tie it. The next step after you finish your berry knot tree trunk is to fill in with some square knots. So I'm just going to work my way from the top down with square knots, filling in where I need to. I'm going to add one on each side here. I'm going to do the same on this side. Now I'm going to add 3 square knots on each side. And now I'm just going to again continue filling in my square knots. So the next row is going to be 2 alternating square knots on both sides. Add one more row of 3 square knots on both sides. We're going to do one final row where it's separated. So we're going to do 2 more square knots on each side, and then we can move on and do full rows. And there we go. So this is the finished result of my little macrame tree wall hanging. So I just added 3 more full square knot rows after those last 2 alternating ones there. And our last step is to just trim off our ends to make it the desired length. Found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.